Hello, my name's Aaron, and this is How to Play the Bari Sax, Part 2. Okay, now that you have your bari completely assembled, it's time to learn your notes and scales. First, I'll teach you the notes. Okay. Now, starting with the first note you'll usually start off with is a G, which is all top 3 keys put down. Don't worry if it sounds a little high, it sometimes does that when you first start out. And also, here's a little tip, make sure you have your neck strap, the back part of your neck strap positioned correctly, or it can be really uncomfortable. Okay, the next key, A, the top 2 keys, press down. Then B is just the top key. Now to play C, you go from the top key back down to the middle key, but you do not hold down. You're holding the top middle key, but you're not holding any other ones. Now to play D, you press down all 6 keys, and then you press the octave key, which is right here on the back, with the key right above your thumb. Then an E, which you lift up, and then it's just the all top 3 and the two of the bottom with the octave. Now there's F, which is just the top of the top 3 and the first of the bottom ones. Now to play F sharp, you just do the middle. It's like playing C, except you have all the top ones down and you're pressing the middle of the lower ones. And then your G, and then your high G. Now to play really high notes, you have to press these keys right here. Don't worry about those yet. Those, odds are, you won't even have to worry about playing until grade 11 or 12. Okay. And now, so once you put all those notes together, do the G scale. Now, G scale has one sharp, F sharp, which would be all top with the F sharp, with the middle instead with middle down and octave key. Okay. Here is the G scale. Okay. Now we move on to the C scale. Since you know the fingerings, it goes from normal C to that C with the octave key. Now there's no sharps or flats in this scale, which means you do the normal notes. Okay. Now the next one is the D scale. You start down on your low D. If you find it hard to do that, you can do it higher up. That means you have to hit the first side keys to do it. Okay, so D in the lower octave. Oh, by the way, D has an F sharp and a C sharp. C sharp, you do not hold down any keys at all. Now for that, in the higher octave, okay. Now one of the trickiest scales is the F scale. Start on regular F, and then you have to go up. But instead of B, you play B flat. Now this one's a doozy because you have to press down the notes for A. But then there's the side keys right here. You have to press the bottom of them. You have to press that key right there while holding down those two. Okay? Here's the F scale. Okay. There you go. You have your notes and your scales. Now, the chromatics is a little bit more complicated. You have to hit all the sharps going up and all the flats going down. You start on your C and you have to go up. Or you can play it in the lower octave. Hard to play. Okay, and there you go, the basics of playing the bari. The next one will be playing a song. Ow, crap.